If you want to keep your WhatsApp conversations safe from anyone who uses your phone, the built-in app lock feature is one of the easiest ways to do it. With biometric protection, only your fingerprint or face can unlock the app. Here's how to set it up. Start by opening WhatsApp on your Android phone. Once you're on the main screen, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner. A small menu will appear. Tap Settings to continue. Next, open the Privacy section. This page contains several features that help protect your account and personal information. Scroll to the bottom until you find App Lock, then tap it. You'll see an option called Unlock with Biometric. Turn the switch on, and your phone will ask you to confirm your identity using your fingerprint or face recognition. After the verification is complete, WhatsApp App Lock will be activated. Now it's time to personalize the feature. Under Automatically Lock, choose how quickly WhatsApp should lock after you leave the app. You can select immediately, after 1 minute, or after 30 minutes. Pick the option that best matches how you use your phone. For even more privacy, disable Show Content in Notifications. This hides message previews on your lock screen and notification panel, so no one can read your incoming messages without opening WhatsApp. One helpful thing to know is that you'll still be able to answer incoming WhatsApp voice and video calls, even while the app remains locked. If the app lock option isn't available on your device, update WhatsApp to the latest version through the Google Play Store. Also, make sure you've already added at least one fingerprint or face scan in your Android phone's security settings, as this feature depends on your device's biometric authentication. And that's all there is to it. Your WhatsApp is now protected with an extra layer of security, helping keep your chats private and secure. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more quick Android tutorials for helpful tips and tricks.